These work fine when the weather's warm, but when the weather's cold, the gate will hit you in the head. This thing's magnetic, so hopefully it won't fall out of that. Quite the difference between the OEM and this aftermarket. If I had purchased this locally, I'd probably take it back, but too late now. Put that in there just a little bit. Can't do this one-handed, but I'm gonna have to hold this over and line it up. This is adjustable, turning that. Pops right up now, and it is really takes some effort to close. I think if I had to do this again, I would probably just spend the money to get the factory ones, if they're even still available, or shop around for some higher quality ones.